Ready to bridge the gap between your stunning Figma designs and your Android Studio projects for a faster, more collaborative development process. First, make sure you have the Figma for Android Studio plugin installed. Search for it in the marketplace and then click Install. Once installed, restart Android Studio to activate the plugin. Next, open your Figma design and copy the link of the specific frame or component you want to import. Back in Android Studio, right-click on the race directory in your project structure, select New, then Figma UI resource. Paste the Figma link you copied earlier into the dialog box and click Get UI. The plugin will fetch the design data. The design elements will be imported as compose code, ready to use in your project. You can customize the imported components further within Android Studio, tailoring them to your app's specific needs. This direct integration not only speeds up your workflow, but also enhances collaboration between designers and developers, ensuring pixel-perfect implementation of your designs.